Thankfully, we're having programs like this to educate consumers, but this has become a more visible problem over the past years.
It's a huge problem, actually.
We were notified as property owners that our insurance said that it was too old and they weren't going to insure me. Their determination was made based on calendar, not upon condition.
The law that's been passed is protecting the property owner because now it's based on condition of roof, not age of roof. And that was the big problem that really needed to be fixed.
With the bill that we just passed a couple weeks ago, that will no longer happen.
So you could take a 15-year-old roof, spray it with Roof Maxx, get someone to come out, check it, and submit it to your insurer, and you should be held in good faith with your insurer.
Do you want to have to replace your roof in 10 years? I don't think so, right? If you could go ahead and maintain it, that's a huge cost saving for consumers. There's a product out there now where you can actually maintain your roof as you go.
I think with the legislation that we just passed a couple weeks ago, we're going to see real reform that'll come to the market. We're going to attract more capital to the market. We're going to attract more carriers. We're going to give consumers more options. And I think that's going to be the solution. I commend you for making a product that will help Floridians, it'll help homeowners, and hopefully it'll help stabilize the insurance market.
The new law protects Mr. Gagone and others like him.